Hey guys, welcome. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Irma, and today we're gonna be doing a little unboxing video of the Milk Cosmetics most recent launch. Okay, so Milk Cosmetics announced that they were gonna be doing a big collection heavily inspired by Mexican culture, and I was so excited. So it recently came in. No, I lied. It didn't recently come in. It came in a minute ago, but it took me a while to film this video because I'm shy. But I'm here now, 2020, and we're doing this shit, right? Voila, bitch. Oh my god. I try not to keep opening it so I would get the same reaction every single time, but it's so nice. Like, they have the whole papel picado. Attention to detail, honey. So you got the tooth palettes on the top, and then everything else down here. We have two palettes. You have Vida y Muerte. Vida is gonna give you Vida, bitch. So this is Vida. And oh my god, I can't wait to start playing with these colors. Alright, so that's Vida. Muerte. Ooh. They also come with gel eyeliners. These could also be eyeshadow bases. Oh, Ira. This is paper mache too. Inspired. This is Santos. Oh my god, and it kind of looks metallic. We have a brownish color. Ooh, pretty. A black. And this is called Immortal. I'm excited for these brushes. This is a green and it's called Fortuna. Okay. And then we have 3 lippies. Okay. The purple is Mariachi, the pink is Fiesta, and the orange is Monarca. Going with Mariachi. Girl. Oh. And this is what Fiesta looks like. And I forgot to mention, this is the color Monarca. This is what the highlight looks like. And it's called, very fitting, Iluminación. Oh my god. I don't even want to dip into this. Like, it would be disrespectful. How am I going to dip into this? How am I going to? How? Oh, six brushes. So yeah, you get all these. We have a little post-it with the Milk Gals. Mira. And a little note. In the box, there's these little tabs. You lift it, mira, make a bag to put everything in. And I love these. You also get this cute little sticker. And before I close out this video, I wanted to let you know what lashes I'm using. The lashes I am wearing are from Scorpio Lashes. I'll leave the link down below. It is my personal small business. So they're in the style Bebecita from Scorpio Lashes. I will have everything linked down below. They're 100% cruelty free. I don't use the mink fur at all. They're all made out of silk. So this is what they look like. They're very, very, very wispy. And they're more of my wearable lash. The other ones are a little more dramatic. Bebecita. So you can go ahead and click the link down below to check out my website. You can check out my Instagram. It's at Scorpio Lashes with 2 S's at the end. So that's it for this unboxing. Thank you so much for checking out my video. If you're interested in seeing more videos related to beauty and business, opening up a small business, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye.